Hi, and welcome to our first episode of JASP, where we'll be showing you how to make a toy car with elastic potential energy. This is what you would need: 2 ice cream sticks, 4 bottle caps, 1 skewer stick, 1 straw, and 2 elastic bands for the wheels. Not forgetting 2 batteries and another elastic band for the movement. Firstly, what you want to do is cut 2 pieces of the skewer stick 2 centimeters each. The next step, we are going to take each of our 4 bottle caps and drill a hole in the center for the wheel. Front axle, we want to cut that we're going to measure at 6 centimeters. Great. Now you just want to take 2 of your elastic bands and cut each of them, which we will use later on our rear wheels for traction. Use a straw to measure 1 centimeter for each side of the axle to fit through. Here you would need 2 pieces. We're also going to measure another 6 centimeters on the straw for the front axle. Here you also want to have a marking in the middle, which would be 3 centimeters, so we can determine the center. Now cut your straw at the markings 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, and the one that we marked at 8, which would be the 6 centimeter piece. For the glue gun, make sure you have adult supervision and an adult to help you with this. Now take your 2 ice cream sticks and measure 6 centimeters apart for them to join in the middle and glue the center. You want to take your 2 centimeter skewer stick that you cut and stick it in the front with a bit of it sticking out. Now we want to stick on our 2 1 centimeter straw pieces that we cut for our rear axle to go through. Make sure this is nice and straight. The straw for the front axle should be 5 centimeters. Let's add some glue to the front of our car. Now for the front axle, 6 centimeters to give a little overlap for the wheels to fit through. Eight centimeters. Now let's get our wheels glued. We're starting with the rear axle. This is the 8 cm skewer stick. Make sure there's enough glue to bond between the skewer stick and the wheel. This is quite messy, so don't worry about the glue strings, that can always be cleaned up once we have completed. Now for the front axle, this here was a 6 cm skewer stick. As you see, the 2 cm skewer stick is sticking out in front. That's so the elastic band can attach to it. Looks good. Now we just want to measure the middle so we can put our last skewer stick, which is the 2 cm skewer stick, in the middle. This is what's going to propel the car forward. And if we look at this here, the middle should be 3 centimeters. Let's put that glue on and attach our skewer stick. Make sure that you put enough glue on this point, as there will be a lot of tension on this piece. Here I'm putting some more glue just to make sure it's secure. Let's test it. You just want to use your elastic to go around the wheel or the bottle cap to measure it. We can cut off the excess elastic. Once the first one is measured, and before you glue it on, make sure to measure the second elastic band and cut it to the same size, as both wheels are the same in diameter. Now that we have our 2 elastic bands cut, we want to glue it onto the rear wheels of our car. Now for the other side, you want to make sure that you have a long enough glue strip so the elastic joins on both ends. Now you want to have your third elastic, which you're going to pull over the front end. You want to glue that down, and yeah, I'm just testing to see if it's going to work. Nice, and we have some motion. Here I glued 2 of the batteries onto the rear end of the car, and for some more weight in front we added 2 marbles. Later on I realized that this here wasn't going to be the best way, so I removed the 2 batteries on the rear end as well as the 2 marbles, and you want to glue the 2 batteries in the center of the car as seen here. Great stuff. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out any new projects, and leave a comment below. Thanks.